Imagine walking into your kitchen and reaching for a jar of dried lavender, knowing it will help calm a restless mind before bed, or opening a drawer to find homemade elderberry syrup when the sniffles start making their rounds through your household. Building your own herbal medicine cabinet is more than just a practical endeavor. It's a journey into self-reliance, tradition, and the nurturing power of nature. With a well-stocked home apothecary, you can address everyday wellness needs naturally, drawing on centuries of herbal wisdom. Today, let's explore how to create your DIY herbal medicine cabinet, from the foundational principles to the herbs and preparations you'll want to include. The first step is setting your intention. Ask yourself, what do you hope to accomplish with your home apothecary? Are you seeking to support immune health, soothe common ailments, or simply add a layer of holistic care to your daily routine? Your goals will help guide your choices as you begin to select herbs and remedies. Next, consider the space. Your cabinet can be as simple as a dedicated shelf, a repurposed dresser, or even a series of labeled boxes. What matters most is that it's dry, cool, and away from direct sunlight, as these conditions help preserve the potency of your herbs. Once you've chosen your space, it's time to gather supplies. Stock up on glass jars with tight-fitting lids for storing dried herbs, tinctures, and salves. Small amber bottles are perfect for herbal oils and extracts, as they protect sensitive compounds from light. You'll also want muslin bags, strainers, a mortar and pestle, and measuring spoons for preparing and dispensing remedies. Labels are essential. Write the name of the herb, the date of harvest or purchase, and any relevant notes about its uses and safety precautions. Now, let's look at some foundational herbs to include in your home apothecary. These are time-tested plants, safe for most people, and versatile in their applications. Start with chamomile, gentle and calming, perfect for teas to ease tension or digestive discomfort. Peppermint is another staple, useful for headaches, nausea, and as a refreshing addition to homemade balms. Lavender is celebrated for its relaxing properties. Keep it on hand to infuse baths, make sleep sachets, or craft soothing oils. Elderberry is indispensable for immune support. Especially during cold and flu season, you can make a simple syrup with dried elderberries, honey, and spices to take at the first sign of sniffles. Calendula, with its bright orange petals, is a skin-loving herb. Infuse it in oil for a healing salve, or brew it as a gentle tea for digestive complaints. Plantain leaf is a wild medicine chest in itself, useful for minor cuts, stings, and rashes. Yarrow, too, is worth including for its wound healing and fever-reducing abilities. With your herb selection in place, let's explore the basic preparations you'll want to master. Herbal teas, or infusions, are among the simplest remedies. Just steep dried leaves or flowers in hot water for several minutes. Decoctions are similar, but involve simmering harder plant materials like roots and bark. Tinctures are concentrated extracts made by soaking herbs in alcohol or vinegar, capturing their medicinal properties for long-term use. Salves and balms are thick, oil-based preparations for topical application, ideal for soothing skin irritations or sore muscles. To make a chamomile tea, simply add a teaspoon of dried chamomile flowers to a mug. Pour over hot water, cover, and let steep for 10 minutes. Strain and enjoy before bed to promote relaxation. For an elderberry syrup, simmer half a cup of dried elderberries with 2 cups of water, a cinnamon stick, and a slice of ginger. Once reduced by half, strain, cool, and add honey to taste. Bottle and refrigerate. A spoonful a day supports immune health. If you want to make a calendula salve, start by infusing dried calendula flowers in olive oil for a few weeks. Strain the oil, then gently heat it with beeswax until melted. Pour into small tins and let cool before labeling. This golden salve is a balm for minor cuts, scrapes, and dry skin. For a peppermint tincture, fill a small jar with fresh or dried peppermint leaves. Cover with vodka or brandy, and let sit in a dark cupboard for 4 to 6 weeks. Strain and decant into amber bottles. A few drops can help ease indigestion or headaches. As your apothecary grows, organization becomes key. Group herbs by their primary uses: digestive support, immune boosters, skin care, calming remedies, so you can easily find what you need. Rotate your stock regularly, checking for freshness and potency. Dried herbs typically last 1 to 2 years, while tinctures and oils can remain effective for several years if stored properly. Safety is paramount when working with herbs. Research each plant before adding it to your cabinet, noting any contraindications or potential interactions with medications. Start with small doses to observe how your body responds. Keep a reference book or trusted online resource close at hand for quick consultations. Remember, the goal is gentle support, not aggressive treatment. If a condition persists or worsens, seek professional medical advice. Beyond the physical remedies, your herbal medicine cabinet can be a source of ritual and connection. Take time to harvest and prepare your herbs with intention, whether gathering lavender from your garden or blending a custom tea for a loved one. Mark the changing seasons by making new tinctures each spring, blending warming oils in winter, or crafting flower essences in summer. Invite family members to learn alongside you, passing down the wisdom of plant medicine. Don't be afraid to experiment and personalize your apothecary. If sleep is elusive, focus on calming herbs like lemon balm, passion flower, and skullcap. For digestive health, keep fennel, ginger, and dandelion root on hand. Athletes may benefit from arnica, comfrey, and cayenne salves for sore muscles and joints. For children, gentle remedies like chamomile, calendula, and elderberry are safe and effective. As your knowledge grows, consider expanding your repertoire to include more advanced preparations, such as herbal vinegars, glycerites, and syrups. Explore the world of adaptogens, herbs like ashwagandha, holy basil, and reishi, known for their ability to support the body's resilience to stress. Think about cultivating your own herbs, starting a small garden or container collection to ensure freshness and quality. Ultimately, building a DIY herbal medicine cabinet is about empowerment. It's about taking your health into your own hands, learning to listen to your body, and forging a deeper relationship with the natural world. It connects you to a lineage of healers, wise women, and caretakers who have relied on the gifts of the earth for generations. With each jar you fill, each remedy you craft, you are honoring that tradition and nurturing yourself and those you love. So, begin today. Gather your supplies, select your herbs, and start preparing simple remedies. Let your home apothecary be a living, breathing extension of your care and curiosity. In time, you'll discover that wellness is not just found in bottles on a shelf, but in the mindful practice of tending to yourself and your environment. With your herbal medicine cabinet at your fingertips, you're ready to meet life's small challenges with confidence, creativity, and the gentle wisdom of plants.